Okay, here are my children. Getting ready to try the new green shoes. Chase, let's act halfway normal. All right, open them, Chase. And then give everybody one.
They smell good too.
Smell good? You can smell them from over there?
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
They smell like gum.
Unwrap and let's see. We're all going to put them in our mouths at the same time, so somebody may have to help Brandon, or Brandon may have to catch up. Wait for Brandon. Nice and purple. Brandon, do you need help? Okay, well, we need you to
Hurry up.
gotta hurry the process up, dear.
God.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Good.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Actually, not really good.
Yeah?
It tastes like candy.
Tastes like candy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So would we eat them every day,
Yeah.
even though they're healthy for you?
Yeah.
All right, so do they get a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Awesome. 3 thumbs up for the It Works green
No, 4.
shoes. Oh,
4.
apparently 6. Double the thumbs.